Hey there! Ever felt like your brain just won't stop spinning? You're stuck replaying scenarios, imagining worst-case outcomes, or just feeling overwhelmed by all the what-ifs. Yeah, we've all been there. Overthinking can feel like quicksand. It pulls you in, and the more you struggle, the harder it gets to escape. But what if I told you there's a simple trick that can help you stop overthinking in just 5 seconds? Yep, 5 seconds. In today's video, I'm going to share a super practical, science-backed method to break the overthinking cycle instantly and take control of your mind. Let's dive in. How to stop overthinking in 5 seconds. What is overthinking? Let's start with understanding what overthinking actually is. It's when your brain gets stuck in a loop, replaying the same thoughts, fears, or worries over and over again. It might feel like you're solving the problem, but most of the time, it just makes you feel worse. Overthinking is often triggered by uncertainty, fear of failure, or wanting to make the perfect decision. And here's the kicker. It doesn't help. Research shows that overthinking drains your energy, increases anxiety, and even blocks your ability to make decisions. So how do we break free from this mental trap? Let me introduce you to the 5-second rule. The 5-second rule explained. The 5-second rule is a concept popularized by Mel Robbins. It's super simple and ridiculously effective. Here's how it works. When you catch yourself overthinking, immediately start counting backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This might sound too easy to be true, but here's the science behind it. The countdown disrupts your overthinking pattern. It shifts your focus from rumination to action. Your brain can't focus on both counting and spiraling thoughts at the same time. As soon as you hit 1, you take action, any action. It could be standing up, writing a quick note, or taking a deep breath. The key is to move from thinking to doing. Why does it work? So why does this simple trick actually work? It comes down to how our brains are wired. Overthinking happens in your limbic system, the emotional part of your brain. The 5-second rule engages your prefrontal cortex, the logical, decision-making part of your brain. It's like pressing the reset button on your thought process. Instead of letting your brain spiral, you take back control. What's even cooler is that it trains your brain to build new habits over time. Each time you use the 5-second rule, you're reinforcing a new pattern. Less thinking, more doing. How to use it effectively. Alright, now let's see how you can actually use this in real-life situations. Example 1. Overthinking a decision. You're stuck on what to say in an important email. Instead of going back and forth, use the 5-second rule. Count backward and then type one sentence to get started. Example 2. Stuck in a negative thought spiral. You're replaying a bad conversation in your head. Count backward, then physically move. Stand up, stretch, or go for a quick walk. Example 3. Anxiety about the future. You're overthinking all the things you need to do tomorrow. Use the rule to interrupt the thought and write down the one next step you can take right now. Start small. Take action. Break the cycle. This isn't about solving everything in 5 seconds. It's about shifting your mindset and stopping the overthinking loop in its tracks. Bonus tips to beat overthinking. To make this even more powerful, here are a few bonus tips. 1. Practice mindfulness. Use deep breathing or meditation to stay present. 2. Journal your thoughts. Write down your worries to get them out of your head. 3. Focus on action. Remember, overthinking doesn't fix problems, but taking small steps does. Overthinking doesn't have to control your life. With just 5 seconds, you can take back the reins and shift from feeling stuck to making progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering your mind and emotions. Let me know in the comments what's something you've been overthinking lately and how are you planning to stop. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're just 5 seconds away from a better mindset. See you next time.